Welcome the our channel. Today we how to automate passive income with peer-to-peer lending, full guide step by step clearly. To start automating passive income with peer-to-peer lending, first, research various platforms available in the market. Look for platforms that have a solid reputation and positive user reviews. Compare interest rates, fees, and minimum investment amounts across different platforms. Next, create an account on your chosen peer-to-peer lending platform. Complete the necessary identity verification process, which is standard in the industry. Once your account is set up, link your bank account for smooth transactions. Next, it's time to fund your account. Deposit an initial amount that you're comfortable investing. After funding your account, explore the loan listings available on the platform. Review each loan carefully, considering borrower profiles and risk ratings. Diversify your investments by lending to multiple borrowers instead of putting all your funds into one loan. Set a budget for each loan, keeping in mind your overall investment strategy. Once you've selected your loans, make your investments. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track the performance of your loans. Adjust your investment strategy based on performance and market conditions. To automate your passive income, look for platforms that offer auto-invest features. Enable automatic reinvestment of your earnings to grow your portfolio over time. Stay informed about market trends and changes in the peer-to-peer lending landscape. Consider setting goals for your passive income and review your progress periodically. Keep track of any tax obligations associated with your earnings from peer-to-peer lending. Lastly, be patient and give your investments time to grow, understanding that passive income can take time to build effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.